All right, so now we're going to be going up and over the crest of a hill. It's a blind curve. Ooh, good swerve. That right there is a scary situation. So when we see this right here, what is it that we see? It's a blind corner. I call it a blind vertical corner. Okay, this is the crest of a hill. You notice how you can't see anything over that hill? So it's like on that roller coaster, you're getting up to the tippity top and you're like, oh man, what's on the other side? And you finally get to the top, oh crap, and then you have a great time. It's kind of like that, but instead of saying, oh crap, I have a great time because everything's safe, it's what's on the other side because I can hit that. That's what I'd be concerned about. So when we see something like this, we're traveling, put yourself in a good position for safety, just in case. Look at this, position for safety right here. You never know what's over there. And you do know that if there's any oncoming traffic, they're going to be over there, right? So he did a great positioning here. This should be common sense, but here's the thing. Not a lot of it is. Okay, not a lot of it is. Not a lot of people have grown up in Yuma, Arizona with all the farm fields. Okay, so move over to the side. When you get over the top and you can actually see, then get yourself in a better position to where you're not so close to the edge. But this was a good job on this guy. Very good job. As soon as you see that, you could do one of two things. Maintain your position because you put yourself in for safety and allow them to try to swerve out of the way. Or panic brake, panic swerve. And what happens when you panic brake on gravel like this? Woo, baby. You're going to dump that bike. So don't do that. So he already set himself for success. We have a dum-dum right here trying to travel super fast. And then they moved out of the way. But if we were in a car, we would have gotten hit. So this is actually a beautiful thing about a motorcycle. This is all the space we need. Okay? If you know that's all you need, sometimes that's all you need to take. All right, so we're going to be moving forward here. Lots of traffic. We have an obvious intersection. So what stage, guys? What stage should we be in? Orange stage. Lane merger. Lane merger. Ay. Lane merger. Let's go ahead and watch that one more time. I know we're in class. All right, so never trust. So he's in a good position for visibility. He can see this hazard coming up, and hopefully they can see us because we're in a great spot. All right, so what is our escape paths? We can decelerate or go more to the left into our lane right here. We can't go too far because you have that car right there, but we can at least swerve over here to this portion of the lane. Do you think ego played a part in this? Do you think him wanting and fighting for that position is a part of a lot of these things? Quite possibly. So remove that aspect of I need to fight for my lane. You can defend your lane, but don't fight for it. Okay, defending it is just being in a position to where people don't naturally want to come at you. So lane position 2, lane position 1, lane position 3, you're constantly kind of moving around, keeping it, watching for hazards, defending your lane. But if anybody calls your bluff, basically, and they want to take your spot, let them. Okay, just let them. Really, all we're doing when it comes to defending our lane is bluffing. Okay, we're actually not going to do anything. Right there, red stage maneuver should be to move out of that position, adapt to this hazard. But right here, move over right here, and then decelerate. Move over, decelerate. Get yourself out of the dangerous situation, and then let them know how dumb they are. And you know what? If they feel like, hey, I'm having a good time. I pushed a motorcyclist out of the way. For you, it should be like, hey, I didn't get hit. Okay, who cares what they have to say? Who cares what they have to say? All right, so we got, bad line of sight. I don't like this. We don't know why they're stopping. Oh, that person didn't either. Found an escape path, didn't hit us. I'm fine. Whoa, what are you doing? Impatient driver. Not much you could do on that one. Shake your head. You got yourself out of that dangerous situation. Now you get the lane filter. Get yourself out of there. Oh, man. Some crazy stuff going on. All right. Curves, corners, and intersections are dangerous for motorcyclists. Sharp turn. Got the chevrons. Oh. What do you think happened? Do you think it was a brake? Hey, he's got gear on. Oh, no. Imagine picking a 400, 500-pound bike from there. All right, so we're going to be riding through the mountains. It looks like we're by ourselves. It's not a big deal. We're just kind of having a good time, okay? I don't think he's going too fast. He's got decent body positioning. He's slowed down. You guys hear that? So he slowed down before the turn, and then halfway through the turn, he applied some throttle. Listen. So he's doing slow look, press and roll. He's doing everything possible. It says 90 right there. I'm assuming that's kilometers an hour. So maybe we're going a little too fast. I don't know. He did pretty good there. So we started to dump the bike as soon as we crossed this discoloration in the road, or at least the difference of color in the road. So that could be a bump. This could be a bump right here. It could also just be, this is like decent traction because it's kind of pitted. So it's actually grabbing a lot. And this is a lot smoother. So we're in the middle of a turn. So this is why you should take these a little bit easier. So slow press and roll. Slow down. Guys, it's a lot easier to get some speed out of the turn than it is to try to take away some speed during the turn or right before it. So just slow it down and then go. Okay. So right here, though, it could be bald tires. It could be the tire PSI is wrong. They could have had a nail in it and it's now starting to showcase when he has to turn. Man, there's so many different things that could be the issues. So what is it that we could do and understand from this? We could remove our ego from any situation, okay? From all these crashes, we can remove our ego from any of it. We could also modulate our speed, okay? So going into turns, you guys slowly press and roll. Going into intersections, hey, go into orange stage. Positioning. Position yourself for the best vision possible so if you had to do an escape, you can get out of there. Also, you want to position yourself so that you don't have to do massive movements to get yourself out of there. Put yourself in a position for success, okay? Plan your ride. All right, we're going through here. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Slow it down. Good job. Moving on to the next one. Then right here, so we're same thing. We're going to get closer and closer and closer. And that person right there doesn't want to be in this lane because of this. They're going to cut us off to get in this lane. This is that natural pattern I want you guys to watch out for. If that lane next to you is slower and our lane has an open spot, it doesn't even have to be faster. It just means that there is going to be an area where they want to see farther. A lot of car drivers don't want to be stuck behind vehicles because they can't see and they'll just keep moving and zigzagging out. So as soon as you see this kind of pattern and you're next to a vehicle, that should put 2 and 2 together. Uh-oh, possible lane merging. Uh-oh, orange stage. But right here is when we should definitely watch out for any lane merging issues. So if we see this and we see this pattern, roll off the throttle, let them in. It's a non-issue. It's a non-issue. He did get pushed out, but here's the thing, found a great escape path. All right, same thing, possibly. Let's see. Let's see what happens. It's going to go green. Okay. All right, what's going to happen? Oh. 360 situational awareness, guys. 360 situational awareness. Look in your mirrors. Get yourself out of that dangerous situation. Get yourself out of that. Look in front of you. Look in front of you. Look in front of you. Just get out of there. Either decelerate or go. Grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure. A lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link.